So look at a motorcycle that has built its reputation, not by trying to be the loudest or the fastest machine in the garage, but by becoming one of the most recognizable adventure-focused, dual sport motorcycles on the road. This is the 2026 Kawasaki KLR650, a motorcycle designed for riders who believe the best journey is the one where the road doesn't have to end. When the pavement does at first glance, the KLR650 immediately gives you that rugged adventure bike feeling. The tall stance, large front wheel, protective bodywork, generous ground clearance, and commanding riding position all tell the same story. This motorcycle looks ready for a long highway trip, a remote back road, a gravel route, or an unexpected turn into the unknown. It has a purposeful design, and that design is not simply about appearance. Almost every part of the KLR650 is built around the idea of going farther and exploring more, the heart of the 2026. KLR650 is a 652cc, liquid-cooled, stroke single-cylinder DOHC engine. Kawasaki lists maximum output at 40 horsepower, at 6,000 revolutions per minute, and maximum torque at 39.1 pound-feet at 4,500 revolutions per minute. Those numbers may not sound like a superbike, and that is exactly the point. The KLR650 is not trying to be a race machine. Instead, it delivers a character that suits adventure riding, everyday transportation, long-distance exploration, and mixed-surface riding. Fuel injection gives the engine modern convenience, while the 5-speed transmission keeps the motorcycle straightforward and familiar. The KLR650 also uses a sealed chain final drive, giving riders a proven mechanical layout that fits the bike's practical personality. This is the kind of motorcycle where the goal is not to overwhelm you with technology, but to give you a dependable platform that lets you concentrate on the journey. And then there is the fuel tank. With a 6.1-gallon fuel capacity, the KLR650 is designed with long-distance travel in mind. That larger capacity can be especially useful when your route takes you away from busy cities and into areas where fuel stations are not around every corner. For an adventure rider, that extra range can mean more freedom and fewer interruptions. One of the most recognizable features of the KLR650 is its tall windscreen. Kawasaki describes the 2026 model as having a two-position, adjustable windshield design to increase comfort on a long highway ride. That kind of protection can make a real difference. Instead of constantly fighting the wind, the rider can settle into the motorcycle and focus on the road ahead, move toward the front, and the adventure character becomes even more obvious. The 2026 KLR650 uses a 21-inch front tire and a 17-inch rear tire, a combination that suits its dual sport mission. The front end is designed to deal with changing surfaces, giving the motorcycle the visual and functional identity of a machine that does not want to be limited to perfectly smooth pavement. Suspension is another major part of the KLR650 story. Up front, the motorcycle uses a 41mm telescopic fork with 7.9 inches of wheel travel, while the rear uses Kawasaki's Unitrack single shock system with adjustable rebound damping and spring preload, along with 8.0 inches of rear wheel travel.